And now, is this the best looking car you have seen all day? 90 Defender on a 26 plate in the best colour, Borasco grey. Basically like new with 1,000 miles on, and the desirable look to it, that's for sure. 23-inch wheels on this car, arch extensions, light pod, rear spoiler, spare wheel cover, Mudflaps. This is a great car, isn't it? It's got such road presence. And I mean, gosh, if you're going to buy a 90 Defender, you want one that's going to turn heads. This certainly does that. We've got the bonnet inserts, the lower canards, that full splitter to the front, the badging, this LED light strip. We've then got arch extensions, 23-inch wheels, light pod, roof rails. This is awesome. It really is special. And it's on the website now for a fantastic price. It's the 26 plate. It's the newest plate. It's a D250 3-litre diesel SE. So it's got leather, it's got electric seats, it's got driver memory seats, it's got Meridian Sound. It's got that awesome touchscreen, which is 13.1 inch. Looking for a Defender? This is the one to buy. That is for sure, because it's the most desirable colour. That is Borasco grey. We've then got black roof rails, spare wheel cover, and we've even got the little spoiler to the roof. This is a 26 model year, so we've got the flatter lens LED lights, X-dynamic black pack, so front and rear sections of the car fully colour coded, spare wheel cover and mud flaps. And then in the back, it's a 90, you've got parcel shelf in place. That's what you do. You can drop the seats, that's your boot space, drop the seats if you need more. Stunning thing, this. Who was going to be the first to ring up and buy this car? We sell cars so quickly. This will be no different. So side profile, we've got arch extensions. We've then got the X-dynamic styling, so it's all painted in gloss black down the side profile of the car. Then these wheels, well, these are 23-inch wheels. Rare to be seen on a Defender to get 23s in satin black, great design. Then come back around the front, we'll just show you some of this extra detailing. The 26 model year giving this new LED, sort of like crisper halo light. You've got these little bits on here. You've then got front and rear parking sensors, the extra LED fog light. Again, the splitter and the black styling to the front. This lovely LED light strip, which is functional. It comes on as you're driving around and it looks great. And then on the inside, keyless entry, painted door handles. This is an SE, so what you'll see from the SE, switchable ambient lighting, Meridian sound system, electric memory driver's seat, so passenger seat is also electric, this leather interior. Then the new release for this car gives you this massive infotainment touchscreen. So I'm going to turn this fan down. That's ginormous, it's crisper, it's clearer, it's more user friendly. You've then got reversing camera, top view camera, surround view camera. The Defenders are so special inside, especially this car's got the darker cross beams, so that's the dark steering wheel, the darker behind the dash, so it's more stealthy inside. Now it's a 3-litre diesel, it's 250 brake horsepower. If you've never driven one of these cars, it's more than enough power. It gives you a great drive. Some people will ring us and say, oh, it's underpowered. It honestly isn't underpowered at all. It drives so well. We've then got heated front seats. We've got 2 cup holders here. We've then got a little hideaway cubby box here. We've got wireless phone charging. My phone's on there, just charging nicely as I do this video. Black headlining. It's just such a great car. It really is. In a new condition. Warranty and breakdown assistance with the Land Rover until 2029, being a 26 plate, done 1,000 miles, stood in place to sit. I love this. And what's better than getting a car that feels like new, and then one that looks like this from the external in this colour as well? What a car. It's going to sell straight away. They always do when we get them like this. So if you're interested, drop me a WhatsApp, give me a call. It's Richard. My number's coming up on the screen now. Thanks for watching.